Oh yeah, she's definitely seen some better days. Say that much. Got a lot of stuff to yank out of this bad boy. Open up this back. Yep, that's not gonna work.
What you know about rolling down in the deep?
So what's up, YouTube? I'm back again. As you can see, the old SS just isn't looking too hot today. Originally, I was supposed to get the intake from my boy Luke's house, but he had other plans. He had things he had to do. Had to head out to his deer lease. So I figured I would do one thing for the LTJunk, even if it's just a little thing, just one thing to get this project rolling. And I mean, that's what you should do. Just whatever you can do, just do that little thing. It's like making progress little by little. And that little thing is replacing these struts on this hatchback. So I got a set of struts, had them for a while actually. So this is something that I'm doing for actual free 99. Doesn't cost me anything. I have these struts for like 5 years or something like that. So, I mean, I've been kind of procrastinating, but things happen. So I'm gonna go ahead and get that done today. And yeah, I guess this is kind of like a not how to do it video. So I'm going to be replacing these hatchback struts today because clearly mine are wore out. These are some of the tools that I'm going to be using. Of course, got a T45 socket with a ratchet, got a pick, and got some vice grips to actually hold worn out struts. And these are the struts with the ends. It's weird that they actually like stapled those on. I guess they didn't want those messing up. Anyway, so let's get started. All right. So in order to hold this up, I don't have 2x4, but I do have some vice grips. So I'm gonna take this vice grip, put it at the very top. That should be good enough to hold me in place. And after that, I'm going to go ahead and swap out the other strut tower first, or the strut brace, sorry. I want to keep on calling it strut tower. Maybe I think I'm working on the front end of my car. So now that my neighbor has decided to blow his lawn, I hope you can hear me. Had to reset my vice grip. Apparently it wasn't tight enough. Now it's time to get this clip off. And that's where the pick comes in. That's one. Okay, now we're ready to install the next strut. And I did fix that in. So before I actually put this clip in on, I'm gonna go ahead and take some steel wool and clean this rust off. It's quite a bit on there. Alright, now that I got that off, ooh. So I'm about to take that vice grip off, and I don't think this other side is going to hold strong enough. Even though it is new, I went ahead and found a support system. Got to wrestle with it. It definitely would be easier if these panels were off, but I don't feel like doing all that right now. Now remember, I do have a support brace this time. I don't have the vice grips, because when this bolt comes out, the support is gone. Alright. Time to pull the pin for this clip, or the clip for the, well, you get the gist. And that's number 2. Little steel wool, clean this up. Yep, it definitely would be easier without this panel. But like I said, I'm being lazy. I don't feel like taking it out. Make sure you get this bolt threaded in, because if it falls behind that panel, yeah, you are taking it all out. And that is it. We are done. There we go. Go ahead and remove this. No more falling latch. Man, I really got to clean this stuff out. Before I close it up, I'll fix that side. Let's check it. Like butter. All right, could this job would have been easier? Yes, it could have been if I'd have removed the panels, but I'm just being lazy. Anyway, that's it. Thank you for watching. Don't worry, we got more content on the way. Probably gonna move on to stripping down this car pretty soon, so stay tuned. Again, like, subscribe. Thanks for watching.